Cheers. Glow is very much there. I'm just going to keep putting it on. Hi everyone, it's Georgia and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very exciting one. It's my very first get ready with me. So it's my get ready with me featured a little cheeky, I mean this was a gin and tonic, it's now gone, so if you want to see how that went then definitely keep on watching. And this is probably my favourite makeup look for this time of year, like a red lip, gold eyes. I just feel like it's so festive. So if you want to find out how to create it then definitely keep on watching. And yeah, let's just hop on to No Makeup Me, which looks 20,000 times worse than this. Wouldn't it just be the best thing if copyright didn't exist and we could just sit here, listen to music, do our makeup together? That'd just be the best thing ever. But instead we're gonna have to listen to 2 seconds of a good song, and then you're gonna have to be having some non-copyright vlog music, I'm afraid. You know, the one by Ed Sheeran and Stormzy. What a iconic collaboration there. Let's get on with the actual get ready with me. So I actually very kindly got sent some products by Georgialaurenbirch Beauty, and I'm so grateful. Literally can't believe it. The first brand that's actually sent me quite a few products, which is so nice of them, so thank you so much. So I'm going to start by doing the brows, and oh wait, no, this is the liquid eyeliner. Unfortunately I won't be using the eyeliner because I've just actually had the old lashes done. I don't know why I said the old. Eyeliner would just, it would just kill them. It would honestly just, they'd be devastated if I did that, so won't be doing that. All their products basically remind me of like a dupe for some kind of high-end brand. This one reminds me of the Anastasia brow pencil because it's literally the exact same shape, and also the package came with like an extra lead in it, you know, so when it runs out, you girls here providing the backup. So, and honestly I'm obsessed with this. I've never actually used a pencil before. I always use dip brow, and it's changing the game what this is. So I'm just gonna do my brows. The mirror is over here, so if I'm looking in this direction, the other end has a little spoolie on it, so I'm just going to brush through them and then draw the eyebrows in with the little pencil. I'll probably speed this bit up because I feel like me drawing my eyebrows on for like 10 minutes straight is very boring, so let's hop into a speed up right now. Yeah, I'm just a bit stressed because this is very precise art and I have had about 3 G&Ts, so I'm not really sure how it's going to go. Hopefully you can see those, but I think it's made my eyebrows really sharp. So I've done the eyebrows. That eyebrow product is honestly so good. It's called the Artist Pencil and I got it in shade 01, so big fan, obsessed with that. And then we're going to move on to the, should I do the eyeshadow next or the foundation? I'm going to do the eyeshadow next. Okay, so usually what I do is use eye primer. I'm a big fan of the Urban Decay primer potion for the eyes, but the primer's run out, so we're having to use this, which is the NYX Wonder Stick, and I'm a big fan of this as well, to be honest. Use this under the eyes to highlight and also kind of a mix as concealer. So I'm going to conceal the eyelids with this. I'm going to set that with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is just my favourite powder of all time. If people would stop slamming doors, that'd be great. I'm going to be using this palette, which is the Sunrise palette. So I'm going to go in with the shade Give Me Mocha and Himalayan Orange. Mix those together just for a good crease colour. I really should not have had a gin and tonic before doing my eye makeup. I don't think I've ever done that before and it's not going well for me. So what I like to do with eyeshadow is kind of always keep it orange. I don't know why. I feel like orange always suits me and my hair and my eye colour, and I just stick to it. I feel like whenever I go for like an out there like pink or like some kind of crazy colour, it just doesn't suit me. So I always have to stick with like oranges, reds, yellows, those kind of shades. This palette is definitely a dupe as well for the Huda Beauty palette. So as it's a chatty get ready with me, maybe we should have a little discussion. When you're watching this video on Sunday, it will be I'm a Celeb final. So who do we all want to win? I don't know. I quite like Jackie. I don't know why I've given Jacqueline a nickname. Am I alright in the head? Like, you're not friends with her, Georgia, chill yourself out. Yeah, I really like Jacqueline. I followed her on Instagram before as well. I really like her. I feel like it's just crazy how she's literally so scared of everything, and then she just literally smashes the trials with like 10 stars. I'm just like, wow. Has anyone seen all the beef as well with Dan? You know, Dan Osborne. on Instagram he's saying like people are selling stories about him, and he said he's seeking legal advice, and I saw it and I was like, oh my goodness, what's going on? I feel like I just look like I've been smacked in the face because I'm really not that skilled at eyeshadow, but we will continue anyway. I'm going to mix the shade Himalayan Orange and also Chocolate Martini to make it a little bit darker in the outer crease, outer corner, that's the word. I just love having a little bit of dark over here, and then I feel like you can just clean it all up with concealer after, and it's just the best. So that's what I like to do. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the Give Me Mocha shade and put that in the inner corner. This sounds weird. Trust me, I have a method behind the madness. And then for the best bit of all, I'm going to go for the shimmer. Just a little bit in the middle. I feel like when you put shimmer in the middle, it just makes it pop so much more. So I'm going to do that. And which shade should I use? I mix the two. We're going to go crazy. We're going to use both. And I'm actually using my finger for this because I feel like it gets it really, really pigmented. I don't know why, but it just gives you a really pigmented look when you use your finger. Oh my goodness, this eyeshadow is literally so glittery. I'll try and put a close-up picture on screen because for some reason when I zoom in all we can see is my lashes. I think it's because I've literally just had Russian lashes put on. They're at their fullest. So I'm going to try and insert a picture of how glittery this looks because it honestly looks unreal. You don't even have to use glitter glue. I am obsessed with that eye look. This brand is literally not even expensive at all. The palette is unreal. I actually prefer it to the Huda Beauty palette. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the skin. So I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match foundation. This is my all-time favourite foundation. It's in shade 3N. I've used this for literally years. I have honestly tried so many foundations and I always come back to this one. And it never disappoints. So we're going to go for that. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh god, it made it worse. I've just spilled foundation all over my mum's white sheets. Oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Help. How do you get rid of... Sorry, let me just Google how you get rid of foundation off white sheet. This is crazy. Water-based makeup stains caused by foundations are a breeze to clean. Oh, thank goodness, Google, thank you. I don't know what to do for the best here. I think we're going to continue and then I'm going to deal with it later. Yeah. So I'm just going to apply this foundation all over the face. So usually I would use a primer. But recently I've started to think primers don't really make that much difference to my makeup. But usually I use the NYX Angel Veil one, and I'm going to have to blend this right down the neck because I am pale as a ghost right now. I'm actually going to have to blend it right down into the top because as you can see it's a very different colour to my natural skin tone. Why is this foundation taking me like 10 minutes to apply? I literally told you, do my makeup on camera, it takes me forever and I'm not even going anywhere. I've got a bit of a sad life really. I'm just sitting here sipping my gin by myself with a fake fire, not even a real fire, you know. And yeah, but we're just gonna roll with it. Basically my friend Georgia watches loads of YouTube just like me, and she was saying she prefers really uncut videos, and to be honest so do I. You know, you can just watch a video and just be chilling doing your day-to-day life things. So that is what I'm gonna start to try and do. So you guys can let me know if you like this more uncut, kind of longer style video, because these are my favourite types to watch. I just feel bad uploading a video more than like 10 minutes because I feel like nobody wants to watch it. We're in this season of Vlogmas, which is so good. I love Vlogmas. I just feel like vlogs every day. How could it get any better? My boyfriend's also made me ill, so I'm not very happy about that, but whatever. So I'm going to be using the NYX Wonder Stick, the highlighter shade. So it has a cream contour and a highlighter as well. So yeah, I just highlight all the normal places you want to highlight. Looking like a crazy person right now. I don't know where else I'm going to put this, to be honest. I don't really know where I'm going with that. And then I just blend it out with my brush. I love using a brush to apply my foundation. I feel like a sponge soaks up a lot of it. For me anyway, I feel like a sponge just soaks up a lot of the product, so using a brush has been the best way. This is also a new hairstyle for me because it's just a half up, half down. I thought this would be good because Obviously if it was all down it would just be getting mixed up with the makeup and that would not be a good vibe. I'm really liking at the minute Olivia O'Neill. I think she's so funny. Who else do I like at the minute? Elle Darby is just a constant obsession. The best, and she's doing Vlogmas, which just makes me so happy. I just set my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Like, I wish I was going out now. Basically all I'm going to do now is sit in bed, take off this makeup and watch I'm a Celeb and have dinner. Just going to be real, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so now the foundation is done and the eyes are done, I'm just going to go in with some blusher. I feel like blusher is the most underrated thing in the whole world. I just use the same powder brush and my favourite blush is the MUA blush in Papaya Whip. It's amazing and it's like £2.50. Yeah, I feel like blush is really underrated. It literally adds so much colour back into your face and it's one of my favourite parts of makeup, so I'm not really sure why it's so underrated. So I'm now actually going to be throwing it back big time. If anyone doesn't relate to this, then where were you in like 2015? This is the Bourjois chocolate bronzer. I have recently got this again and I'm just obsessed. It's literally the best bronzer ever. I again just use the powder brush because I feel like using a powder brush for blusher and bronzer just gives you such a more gentle, natural look and I am a big fan of it. I don't really contour with it, I more just sort of bronze up everywhere where the sun would hit, which it isn't hitting right now because it's about minus 5,000 million degrees in the UK. And this is also from Focallure and this is the Diamond Glow Highlighter. It is honestly, it's so pretty and it just gives you, just wait for this glow. I don't know if you guys have received the glow yet. Glow is very much there. I'm just going to keep putting it on because you can never have too much. I've been using the products from this brand since I got them like a month ago, so I really wanted to give them like a proper test out and make sure I really liked them before I did the video, and I'm honestly like obsessed. The highlighter I've been using every single day. The eyeshadow palette, that's actually my first time using it, but I'm literally just seeing the glitter like go crazy. Grab the Sunrise palette again and go under the eyes. So for this I will use a fluffy brush, basically just mirror the top eye underneath. So I'm going to use the Himalayan orange shade and the Give Me Mocha and the Chocolate Martini shades underneath. I feel like if you use a fluffy brush for this step, it makes it way more smooth. What I'm going to grab is some mascara and I'm just going to use a little mini tiny little one, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just going to put some on the bottom lashes. I'm just saying, how much better would this be with some cute music on? I feel like we should listen to a few more seconds of some songs in a second. I wonder if anyone doesn't have makeup face and they just do their makeup with this. Probably not. I don't know why I wonder these weird things. That's why I'm doing psychology as a degree, which is slowly killing me, so yeah. You know what has just popped up to me? Some old Drake songs. Yeah, love me. Oh, I dropped my phone. I'm a big fan, you know who I'm a big fan of, Post Malone. If I could see Post Malone in concert, my life would be made. This lipstick, this has been my favourite lipstick for like a month now, since I received it. It's obviously from Focallure again, and it's in the shade CO5 Semi Sweet. So cute, and it's just the perfect like winter red that's not a bright red that's really in your face. It's just like that off red. Can you say off red as if you can say off white? I think so. And there we go. So this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I have a 25% off discount code, which is just Georgia25. So that'll all be in the description box. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the Get Ready With Me, the more uncut style of video, the little bit longer video. Let me know if you enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming this video. I'm just so thankful for all your support, so thank you so much. It's literally amazing. I've wanted to do YouTube for so long, and all your support over the past few months has literally been amazing, so thank you so much. So if you want to see some more of me, some more Get Ready With Me, some more Christmas content, then I would absolutely love you would stick around and join the little family by subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!